Well, here we are in Forest Hill in southeast London, where tomorrow would have been our 11th year opening with the Forest Hill Garden Group, which has been opening for much longer actually. But this is where visitors might have come in, would have come in. See the courtyard first. So sad they won't be coming. The gravel garden. Here we're coming round to the greenhouse with lots of plants outside hardening off. Oh, and we have had some wonderful, wonderful scents from the irises there, Darcy Bustle Rose, and of course the wisteria behind. Coming here, that's a bit of a mess in there. It's been very productive. Got a lot of things going. Here, I've been making multi-purpose compost because couldn't get any online at all. Here's a blush noisette rose, which is going to be beautiful. Lots of buds with the clematis. Coming down here, we're going past the fruit cage. Nice black currants and red currants coming. Quite a few vegetables. Beans. Rhubarb. And down here to the pond, which is teeming with tadpoles. And here, oh, we've got some of the little chicks, and they're 4 weeks old now. There's a few of them, some of the hens. We'll go in there in a minute. More vegetables. Alliums. Behind them, those ballerina tulips, they've been flowering for, there must be about 8 weeks now. Quite amazing they've been. They're over now really. There's the story shed where the children come in and get their story sheets to do the trail. Osteospermum's been flowering all winter on and off. Quite amazing. And here we go and see the chickens who are all coming. 8 chicks and 9, one mother, Broody, Winnie, and 8 other. And we're going to go up through this arch, which will be covered with roses soon. So I think we'll finish with this. So next year, let's hope you will hear again.